Hello. So we are back Monday morning. It's like 44 past 10. And let's do like a shop workflow. Yeah. One thing in the morning, the thing arrived, this one, and I did transfer the ZXW tools. You have an option to transfer online. But I'm quite impressed from last time when I used this software and I stopped using it. No, it was proper rubbish. So everything in Chinese was working only on Windows 7. Was a disappointment, and I stopped using it. So now I said let's try again, and I'm really impressed. So now it is on English. It's working on Windows 10. Let's see if I can. But has some case studies, yeah, which are very interested. Yeah, you know what I mean, the thingy, the software, the ZXW. So it's not about the schematics and the board view, because that's okay. I understand. But look, maintenance cases, yeah, and you have here including. I see one which was quite interesting, fixing a 4013 error, which was not the non-memory, was a track. But I don't know where it is. But anyway, yeah, if you click on any. Actually, you can see some cases where how the fault was found, what they changed, what they replaced, something like that. But it's interesting. I'll try to study all these cases, because who knows, maybe it will be helpful. Of course, this is no this is no advertise. So just keep close and we'll see what we can do in the future, yeah, using this software. What do we have today? We have only boring jobs, like like 10 minutes ago someone been here. I just watched your video from yesterday, the power supply, and I just pop up here just to say hello. Yeah, very nice from him. Very nice, very nice. So what do we have here? We have a Pixel phone, Pixel 1. The job is replacing the battery, this one. The problem is the screen is an OLED screen, and we have to take out the screen to go inside of the battery. Which will not be easy. It is hot. I have no tools because it's Monday morning, obviously. So if we are cracking the screen, we are dead. So it's no worth. I just need some space to come with the thingy. Yes. The phone comes on. Okay. Should be easy. But I did ask him, the man to say, okay, pop up just to say hello because I seen your yesterday video. And I asked him, so does mean you seen the fireworks? And he said, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, bad things happen. Can happen. Something is. I just want to be careful because if we crack the screen, it's not worth the money. So we are losing the money actually if you crack the screen. This is quite risky. So in a normal case, I would say no. This kind of repair. I will say, you know what? Just no. It's too risky, and the money are not so good. It's just a battery replacement. Should come out slowly. Maybe not. Just a bit of patience. No. Yeah. Okay. Let's test it and remove the screen. Yeah. So the screen is still working. So we can remove the screen and let me shut it down and replace the battery. But usually I don't take the risk when it's a OLED screen. Yeah. But of course the screen was booked in when I wasn't here. That means yesterday when the Christian is working, he's working Sunday. Obviously he had no idea about how hard a job like that is. Well, actually it's not hard, it's just risky. It's not hard. So the screen is out. Now we have to open the phone and replace the battery, yeah? This is Google Pixel 1. Yeah, Google Pixel, yeah. But after I closed the live stream, I think, about what happened, and the only logical explanation is we tested first time. On that point, because I didn't feed that diode, the flyback diode on the relay, the transistor got burned. Probably the transistor got shorted. After that, the transistor burned the relay. I replaced the transistor. Relay was still shorted, and that's the reason why the transistor exploded. Can happen, when you design things. It's a lot of work on designing because you don't really know what value should be there, what. So we designed a schematic just based on nothing, on electronics knowledge. That's all. Okay, let's see this one. I never open a Google Pixel, so how this supposed to get open? Hmm. So we open the screws and oh yeah, this is coming out. Okay. Be careful here. You have I don't know, some cable here. Yeah, cable with a connector. So on a normal case must be open from down from the bottom. Yeah. Battery it's a little bit fat, but you know the first things what I'm doing when someone asks when I see a job like that. Why? Why they want to replace the battery? Because most of the people, if they have a dead phone or it's not charging, oh, I just want to replace the battery. And you'll think, okay, so you don't want our diagnostic, it's just what do you want to do, and that's what we will do. Doesn't work like that. So you replace the battery because the customer said to replace the battery, and you'll said, oh, okay, but it's still not working. I can't pay for that. Yeah, that's what will happen. So yeah, when I see a phone is not charging, I want to know why. No, not charging. Sorry, you want to replace the battery. I want to know why do you want to replace the battery? Because yeah, if it's not holding the charge, okay, I understand that. But even on that point, when the customer said he's not holding the charge, but he's getting charged 100% to 100%. Oh no, he's getting charged only 10%. No, that's not the battery. That's not the battery. But if the customer said, you know, yeah, he's getting charged 100%, okay, on that case, we can replace the battery. But otherwise, no. Okay, that's the old battery. That's the new one. Let's see if it's charging. Okay, I need a USB-C. Which I've seen it here earlier. No, it's not on the floor. How the things can get evaporated from my desk? What's here? Oh yes, here. Okay. Plug the charge. Plug the charger. 1 amp is fine. One amp. That's great. Let's unplug the battery, plug the battery back. Everything is connected. Let's put this back. But starting from this cable. Okay. Good. Screws. It's not like it's a hard job, but it's just risky. The idea of the ZXW tools is just to, start doing some in-deep jobs on the phones. And obviously for that kind of jobs you need schematic. The people start making funny, like I'm doing only basic jobs, I'm some kind of ancient monster. So let's try to prove actually we can do some complicated things with schematics. Okay, that's not right. But I think I know. I think it's the cable, is the antenna cable. Yes. Yeah, that's the problem. Yeah, that's my fault. Okay, let's see what's going on with that cable. Should be there, here, like that, yeah? Wait. No, should be inside here. Like that. And here inside should be fine now. Yeah, now it's okay. What do we have more? We have a Nokia Lumia with the USB-C charging port to be replaced, but that will be easy because we have the part with the board. And I think we have like 2 laptops there to be fixed. Everyone is going crazy with the Fortnite, so actually the like it's kind of ended, and from yesterday starting it's just a black hole. So the Fortnite is not there anymore. And the people start going mad. That's fine. So one problem is, yeah, to clean the camera thingy. Ah, okay, everything is fine. Let's use some, the thingy, the adhesive. You know where you need to pay attention? On the speaker chamber, because it must be sealed. It's like a car, unicompression there. So you have to be sure the air is going outside through the screen, through the speaker hole. Perfect. Perfect. So all what we need now, let's see if it's coming on and it's working. It is. So all what we need to heat up the phone again around 50 degrees, and after that we'll stick the clamps. Yeah. Okay. That's the whole battery. Next one, the Nokia. Yes. It's open already, so should be quick. This is a Nokia Lumia. I don't know. Nokia. Okay. 7 Plus. 7 Plus. That's the one. Seven Plus. It's a very bad design on this charging ports. Mine are USB-C, but they are moving all around. So actually, this has been replaced before, and come back like that. Okay, let's plug the charger. And it's charging. You can see on the screen. 500. And must go up. Yeah, 1.4 amps. That's when it's charging. Let me put the clamps on this one, yeah? Perfect, yeah? So we are using this kind of clamps. Like in half an hour the phone will be ready. Okay, let's see about this one. So this is fine. All we need an antenna connector. Good. I don't know if the speaker, yeah, the speaker with no screw, and now this back. Yeah, give me 1 second. Yeah, very complicated. And a lot of screws. It's just nice to listen. Like you can't hear the conversation on the shop. Uh, Speaking about Apex, Christian said, Pathfinder is the best one. Diana said, no, Raid is the best one. Yeah. I don't know what they are paid for. Let's see if it's working. Yeah, we need a screw here, but I can't see more screws. Come on. Well, must be there. Like that? No. No. You see, these are that kind of boring jobs. No one want to do them. Perfect. Let's test the phone. Charging fine, yeah. The current 1.4 amps, which is fine. Yeah, the front on the front of the heater. Bring the phone up to 50 degrees. Okay, next one. That's good. Let's see this one. Motherboard fault. This will be interesting. This is a HP laptop. HP laptop, keyframe missing, no power motherboard. So what do you think? It's a nice i3 laptop, HP Pavilion. Let's plug the charger. Yeah. Let's plug the charger. Charger. And we do have the charging light. You can see. Yeah. Press the power button. It's coming on. And we have backlight and picture. What kind of crazy things is this? And it's loading the windows. This is sick. You know what happened with these laptops? I'm sure probably this laptop comes with a frozen BIOS, and because I don't know, probably it reset itself, because it doesn't explain why now it's working. If I take out the charger, okay, yeah, maybe the customer charger. Maybe the customer charger is that. Yeah, it can be. So let me just put the phones on clamps. So the laptop is working fine. It's no problem. I don't know if who booked in the job tested with our charger. But when this was booked in? Friday. And? Okay, so then I tested with our charger and the laptop wasn't working. Nothing. Probably I should tell Diana actually after you plug the charger you have to press the power button. Yeah, it's working fine, it's charging fine. Yeah, probably frozen Super IO. That's the only explanation what I can find. So they test the laptop. The laptop was not coming on. And now I plug the charger and the laptop is coming on. Interesting. So if you have a laptop like that, just unplug the charger, take out the battery and leave the laptop one day, and maybe the second day will work. Next one. Okay, this will be a funny one. This was booked in a charging port. It's a Lenovo laptop. And that's the charging port. You can see it's broken. So now it's a trick, yeah? I will not replace the charging port. Before, being sure the laptop is good. You remember, so if you touch the middle pin from the Lenovo, you have a pin in the middle. If you touch the middle pin with the next ones, which is plus 19, you'll burn the Super IO. It happens few times, you remember? So now the charging port looks fine. It's broken, but it's looking fine. Let's plug the charger and see if it's charging. And if it's charging, we can replace the charging port. I know for sure I have a Lenovo here somewhere. Lenovo, okay. So that's the charger. It's a little bit bent. But let's see. The charger is plugged in. I can't see any charging light. And it's not coming on. You see, this is a tricky one. So if you spend time replacing the charging port, you'll have a surprise to find actually your Super IO is dead. So multimeter is on screen. Ground plus, and we have 20 volts, 20.7, you can see. But when you are plugging the charger, and now the pins are on place, it's not charging at all. Yeah. So pay attention. Yeah. You know what this happened? What happened on most of the cases? So the laptop goes dead. I don't know. And the customer still trying and plugging the charger and moving the charger and all the way, and he's thinking that's the problem, but actually the laptop died before. Yeah. So what did I tell you? What did I told you? Friday. I say, you know what? The easy way, even on the laptops, to goes on the motherboard is from the battery connector also. But in our case we have there, 1 second. Let me plug the charger and check the voltage, because we have access on the, so the charger is plugged in. Let's see if we have voltage, ground, plus, and here we do have voltage, 20.7, you can see. After the second MOSFET, I can see here the current resistor, we have nothing. Here we have 20 volts. 3.3 is not here. Maybe here. No. The laptop is sealed. You can see the seal here. Where's Mal? The middle pin voltage, I'll tell you. Middle pin voltage. There's no voltage. There is no voltage even here. So this laptop has different issue. Probably the Super IO is they short the middle pin. Well, let's open the laptop. Yeah, that's that laptop with the fan screw on the keyboard. Yeah, so the screw is on the keyboard. It's insane design. You know how the people designed this laptop with the fan screw on the keyboard. So all the screws are out here. I don't know if if we have to take out the keyboard. Yeah, we have to take out the keyboard. Yeah. It's what? What do you mean? Yeah. Oh. Okay. So the laptop is open. That's the Super I/O. Let's plug the charger and check the voltage. Yeah? Plug the charger. Nothing. We have some capacitors here around this chip. Nothing. 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 Nothing here. So I don't get it. Because I did check my 19 volts power rail and it's present. The chip is not getting hot. Let's check one more time. The 90 volts power rail, that's the current sensor there, and we have 20.7. So somehow we don't have 3.3 volts. What about the power button? What is the power button? Yeah, power button is here. Yeah, let's see on the power button. Do we have 3.3? And we do have 3.3. That's bad. 3.1, 3.2, 3.3. Ay, 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 wow. I just burned my finger, so this is mad hot. But wasn't like that. Probably when you press the power button. No. What? Yeah, yeah. Only when you start the laptop. So check there. That's mad hot. So the super IO is that. Lenovo AIT. I think we have a board like that. IT8586. I think it's with the BIOS inside, yeah? Yeah, the BIOS is inside. So the only chance is if we found like the same board. Same board, yeah. Well, that would be a hard thing because I have to go through all these motherboards. Take them all and check each for same model. Huh? It's not the same. No, it's not the same. That's a Sony. No, it's not the same. Hmm. Okay, that will be long. That's the problem. You cannot replace that chip. You can replace it only from the same one, from the same board, the same model. But if I remember, and I remember. Hey, give me 1 second. Uh, I know it's a guy there. I think it's on eBay, and he's selling chips. You give him the model number and he give you the chip. And I spoke with the guy. The guy it's a Romanian guy. eBay. Let's say this. Let's type this chip. Yeah, IT A586 IP. Programming. And my keyboard is killing me. I need another one. So you see, are people there like this one, yeah, like £10 the chip, £10 the programming, and they will program the chip with your laptop model number. Oh, where is my guy? My guy was here. Spain, Bulgaria. Hmm. Yeah, that's my guy. Yeah, that's my guy. I have to speak with him. Yeah, Timisoara. Yeah, he's the guy. I'll speak with him. I'll see if I can get the chip. So I'll do this. I will probably I'll do a second part when actually we are replacing the Super IO. Yeah. So I'll stop now. We do have few things. We'll see later. Yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. And see you tomorrow. Maybe later. Depends what jobs I can find here. Yeah. Bye.